Hi, I'm Dr. Molly with Your Goals Physical Therapy. And today in my pregnancy series, I'm going to talk about those achy feet and some ways to remedy that, okay? So first I want to talk about why our feet start to ache. Mainly it has something to do with the amount of ligament laxity that we have. So our hormones are telling us that everything needs to relax. And unfortunately, it does not specify just in hips and abdomen, right? It relaxes everything. Your shoulders, your neck, everything is being told to relax. And so all your ligaments are stretching more than they normally would when you're not pregnant. So, and then on top of that, you're gaining weight. 20 to 30 pounds is kind of the recommended norm. But of course, many women gain more than 20 or 30 pounds and in a short period of time. Because 9 months really isn't that big, that long, right? You can gain 30 pounds pretty easily over a course of a couple of years, but we're doing it in 9 months. And so that's a lot of weight on top of these ligaments that are being told to relax. And so what that does is that drops your arch in some cases, causes your feet to kind of splaying out, so your feet actually get a little bit wider. So then how do you correct for that? Because you have to gain weight and your ligaments have to relax. If it's really something that's bothering you, then what I would suggest is that you wear shoes that always have a little bit of arch support. So not walking around barefoot. Don't walk, flip-flops are probably not the best option for you. Sandals are probably not 100% great either because a lot of them don't have arch support. Of course, if you buy some, like the nicer ones, they will have a little bit of arch support so that you don't have to worry about that, right? So your foot won't be necessarily allowed to just be completely flat. That doesn't mean that you have to spend all of your time in sneakers, although who's kidding? Comfort is pretty nice right about now. But that's not possible. I mean, depending on where you work or what you do every day, you can't go around in sneakers. So just something that has a little bit of arch support and just not barefoot, right? That'll probably help out quite a bit. The other thing is that at the end of the day, oftentimes our feet are swelling. And so you want to make sure that your shoe size is appropriate for the amount of swelling that's happening. And then at the end of the day, if you elevate your feet and kind of prop them up and pump your ankles back and forth, maybe if your husband will rub your feet, it'll help get some of that fluid out. The other thing is a calf stretch. So sometimes what happens is your muscles get a little unbalanced. Like some muscles are super relaxed and stretched out, and then some muscles get really tight. So it's a matter of creating a balance with that. So if your calves or the back of your lower leg is really tight, then that can put added stress on your feet as well. So sometimes getting a really good calf stretch can be something that would be a huge benefit at the end of your day. So I hope those little tips and tricks help you. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please make a comment below the video. I would love to hear any kind of feedback that you guys have. You have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you next video. Bye.